Hi guys, today we're going to talk about window testing. So I'm going to take you through a couple of window samples to see why we test what we test. So, a couple of vinyl window frames. This one has what's called the nail fin attached to it. You can see it comes, it's part of the frame. This is what we tie the weather resistive barrier and the peel and stick and the self-adhered flashings and all that stuff to. This is another window frame that's had the nail fin cut off for sample purposes, but it's also what you'll get in a replacement window product when they cut the fins off, slide it into the hole and caulk it. So people ask why we window test. So in this operating window unit, if you get in here, you can see the little felt. This is actually weather stripping. And then some pieces of tape. You can see some tape that hold the glass into the vinyl frame. You can see some more kind of tape there, some sealants here and there. So the window unit itself, water can get through, right? Because it has a drain hole. This is called a weep. So water is designed to get into this and weep out. But there's also how the window is installed into the building with that nail fin and where the building paper laps into it. So there's two ways water can leak through a window. One, through the window unit itself. Two, around the window frame. So replacement windows in and of themselves, when you cut the fin off, you've automatically caused problems with the install. So this is why we test windows. We test window unit itself, and again, we've seen in some instances 25% of the product coming off the truck from the manufacturer failing tests because they didn't get the tape right, they didn't get the sealants correct, and water just blows right through here. But then the rest of it is leaking around the edge where they've improperly cut the fin off, can't tie it into the frame at all, and so you've got leakers that way. So that's what we mean by window testing. Thanks for watching.